Hello friend, all are welcome to my channel Get Easy Medical Micro. Today I am going to discuss about the gram positive bacterial cell. Okay, gram positive bacterial cell wall. Cell wall. Cell wall. Okay. So as we know, gram positive bacterial cell wall is 80 nanometer thick. 80 nanometer thick. Okay. And mainly if we difference between gram positive and gram negative bacterial cell is more complicated than gram positive bacteria, and gram positive bacteria is more thick than the gram negative bacteria. Okay, and another point is gram positive bacteria, they covered 80 to 90% of peptidoglycan layer. So glycan layer. Okay, this is the component which mainly covered 80 to 90% of the total bacterial cell wall. Now the question is, which are components generally present in gram positive bacterial cell? Okay, so in gram positive bacterial cell wall, if we see, then two major component. One is peptidoglycan layer, another one is teichoic acid. Teichoic acid is very important factor. It is one of the chemical compound which generally found in gram positive bacterial cell wall, not in gram negative bacterial cell wall. So when we draw the structure of gram positive bacterial cell wall, this one, suppose it will take some time to draw the picture. You can easily understand. Okay, if I draw the picture, so suppose this one is structure of the cytoplasmic membrane. You people already know, you already studied in your 12th standard. Okay, this is also called the fluid mosaic model, also called the LPL model. Okay, so like this, like this. I'm drawing with colorful pen because if you people can understand very easily. This one, this structure is called the cytoplasmic membrane. Okay, cytoplasmic. This is formed by the LPL, lipid protein lipid. Now comes to the gram positive bacteria. I already said it is 80 nanometer in thickness. Okay, so maximum 80 to 90% is covered by the peptidoglycan layer in case of gram positive bacterial cell wall. This Not only peptidoglycan layer and their compounds means I already said in my previous lecture, peptidoglycan layer with tetrapeptide and pentapeptide cross linkage. So suppose this one, okay, this one totally, okay, this one totally. If here is NAG-NAM bond, okay, like this bond is joined together, this bond is joined together like this, okay, this bond is joined together like this. By forming this peptide linkage bondage, okay, the gram positive bacteria forming a thick wall bacterial cell wall, thickened bacterial cell wall. It is the main compound of gram positive bacterial cell wall. So primary one is peptidoglycan layer. Okay. Number two, teichoic acid, which is major component in gram positive bacterial cell wall. Okay. So this totally are peptidoglycan layer which generally attached with the cytoplasmic membrane. Okay, this is the outer portion, this is the in portion. Okay, so it is present outside the cytoplasmic membrane, peptidoglycan layer. So this one is total, this one is peptidoglycan layer. Okay, so this one is, suppose this one is total peptidoglycan layer, they forming N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl uramic acid bond with their peptide linkage. Okay, clear. So now another major component is teichoic acid. Teichoic acid, which consists mainly of alcohol and phosphate compound. Okay, so two type of teichoic acid generally present. One is wall teichoic acid, wall teichoic acid. Okay, number one A in under the teichoic acid, and number B is membrane teichoic acid. Membrane teichoic acid. Okay, so wall teichoic acid, where it is present? So wall teichoic acid is generally, wall means cytoplasmic membrane. Okay, wall. So here is cytoplasmic membrane. Wall means cell wall. Cell wall is formed by the peptidoglycan layer. Clear? So membrane here, only which membrane is present? Cytoplasmic membrane. So wall teichoic acid, what mean? Wall teichoic acid is which teichoic acid generally arise from the peptidoglycan layer of the gram positive bacterial cell wall. This one is called wall teichoic acid. This one is wall teichoic acid. Wall TEICA teichoic acid. Okay, wall teichoic acid. And which one is membrane teichoic acid? So membrane teichoic acid, membrane. This one is cytoplasmic membrane, which one is arise from the cytoplasmic membrane of gram positive bacterial cell wall. Okay, this is also called the, so membrane teichoic acid, membrane teichoic acid, teichoic acid is also called the lipoticoic acid. Lipoticoic acid. Okay. So it's clearly seen. So it is linked to the membrane glycolipid and concentrated in mesosome. It is linked to the membrane glycolipid and concentrated in mesosome. Okay, this membrane ticoic acid. So now I telling you something. It is very important. Sometime valticoic acid may be absent. Sometime valticoic acid may be absent, but membrane ticoic acid always be present. Sometimes when in repeated subculture or any old microbes, gram-positive bacteria, which generally subculture in different media, so that time the valticoic acid disappear, but membrane ticoic acid always must be present. This is the one of the identifying features of the gram-positive bacteria. Okay, clear? I think this is helpful for you. Okay, thank you.